Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel The Crochet World. This is a crochet jar cover. I am using cotton thread for this pattern, 4 color of cotton thread, and you take 2.5 mm crochet hook and one jar. First you measure your diameter of this jar and start from slip stitch and make 5 foundation chains. This is a first round and join it together. Make one small size ring. Now make 2 chain, count as a first half DC stitch and make 14 more half DC stitch into this ring. And this is a first round. Join it with slip stitch. I have completed my first round. For second round, make 2 chain, count as a first half DC, one more half DC stitch in the same stitch. You make 2 half DC stitch in each stitch in this round. Total I have 30 stitches in this round. And join it with slip stitch in the beginning chain. And third round, make 2 chain, make one more half DC stitch, one chain. You go to the next stitch and make 2 half DC stitch. Then one chain, 2 half DC stitch. You repeat the same stitch in this round. I have completed my third round. This is a diameter of this jar, and now I am making one single crochet in each stitch. You make 3 lines of single crochet stitch. Make one chain, count as a first single crochet, one single crochet in each stitch. Repeat it and you make 3 lines of the same stitch. I have completed my diameter of this jar, and now I am going to the next round. Make 3 chain, count as a first loop and skip the next 2 stitches. Go to the third stitch and make one single crochet stitch, 3 chain, skip the next 2 stitches, go to the next and make 3 chain, 1 loop. You repeat the loop stitch in the 4 to 6 lines. After that you cut your yarn and attach the another color yarn and make the same repeat the same stitch in the next 4 to 5 lines or as per your required length. Make 3 chain, 3 chain, go to the next loop. Make 1 single crochet stitch and you repeat it. I have completed my loop stitch pattern and now this is a single crochet stitch. I am making 3 single crochet stitch in each loop previous round. Next round you decrease your stitches and in the third round you make 1 single crochet stitch in each stitch. And now this is a self stitch pattern. I am making 6 double crochet in each very first very first stitch and skip the next 2 stitches and go to the next and make a single crochet stitch, and this is a 6 single double crochet stitch, and then skip the next 2 stitches, make 1 single crochet in the next stitch, then you skip the next 2 stitches, go to the next and make double crochet, 6 double crochet. Repeat the same pattern this round. Attach some flowers in this jar cover, make 5 chain and join it with slip stitch, then 3 chain, count as a first double crochet, 2 more double crochet, then 3 chain and 1 single crochet in the same ring, and you repeat the same pattern in the 4th times, 3 chain, 2 double crochet, then 1 2 3 chain and go to the same ring and make 1 slip stitch. You repeat the same pattern 4 times, same stitch 4 times. This is a small size flower, you can attach it to your jar cover, it looks beautiful. I am making 3 flowers for this jar cover, and I have attached this flower in my jar cover. We can attach one ribbon also, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, the Crochet World, and thanks for watching my video. Thank you.